Today we want to take a look at how the fleet page is set up on the site and how you can change the existing photos and ships that are there and add new ones. We start again at the back end of the site. You log in, go to the page section, and we find the fleet page. We'll go to that page, and once we're there, we'll come down here and we're going to hit Edit. Each of the ships on the fleet page is comprised of a separate image box. Here it says image, and get it, see existing one, photo. The design this here is inline design. This box needs to be changed. It needs to say overlay on hover. Overlay is, of course, the black box that comes up that shows the text when you move the mouse over the photo. So the design, we want caption overlay on photo. And we also have a setting here for animations, and this just adds a little life to the page. And there's none. We're going to set this to fan, and we'll hit apply. And now there's 3 across, which I think is a good result in a good. The photos of the ships, they should be a minimum of 600 pixels measured here. Unfortunately, the photos on the old site were too small, and they won't be able to be used here. So we need to start fresh those. If we want to add a ship here, what we're going to do is to come here, and we're going to get what I call the blob here. This costs just the width of the boat. And what this does is to keep the photo small and going all the way across the page. Here, we grab the image block, and then we're going to take a photo. We're just using the same photo here, and I drag mine into place. We'll release it, and it loads up. And now we come to the design tab. It says inline here, which is the default, which should. And this here, caption, we don't want the caption below it, we want the caption overlay on hover. And on animations, we want to change this to fade in. Okay, then we hit apply. So I haven't put a caption in yet, but you're getting into that level to the caption. Just click on the caption, and here we can put in any text that we want. Or we can see other as a use. So we copy, come down here. It's little because the other box gets in the way. You can move around, and then you come in, change the name of the ship and when it was built and the other information. It's probably the best about it. And when you're done, that should be applied and then save. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want to delete one of these older ones, we just edit this and the trash can. You just click on it, and it's gone. You can also move these around. It can get a little bit. You can lose the columns if you. But again, you see, we wanted this to be in the middle column here. You see the line going across just the width of that column there. If we want to move it up in between here, then the case. So now we've got 4 across, so we'll need to take this one back down. Now we don't want that where the line goes all the way across. So we sit, and we're all set. So that's what we need to do here. Last thing I want to show you, deactivate this page, because if you have more ships up, you may not want this showing in your table of contents. And I talked about this in the other video I made for you. You click on the gear icon, and this page comes up. You notice this page looks like the other sites that you're used to. Basis this page, but you basically want to come right down here and we click on take off the enable page and save it. Now you notice that it's not appearing in the table of contents anymore. For now, to do that, we just do the opposite of what we did. Put it on, save it, page reloads, and there it's in the table of contents again. Here's it. If you have any questions, of course, get in touch. Bye.